think.
Oh. Oh, buddy.
Oh, love, honey.
Graham, buddy.
Where's your mama? Where's your mama? He wants that fan again.
I know, it's his favorite.
Should Grandma do it again?
He looks so serious. He's not sure what to think about it.
It's just in there imitating my laugh.
Oh, how funny. Buddy, is it fun?
Oh, this is so fun. How are we going to get anything done? Oh my gosh.